That's so bad.
Hello everybody, welcome to the ploughing. First edition of TPTV. Me and Oisín are standing at gate 9, waiting on the rest of the fellas, and here we go. Let's plough on, baby. Loudly. And on, if you just be quiet enough, you might hear what he says. It's a new bird.
Oh, Mike, did you end? What happened to you?
No.
What happened to you?
Please don't tell me I forgot the mics.
Oh, you stupid.
No.
What are you?
Programs on a map.
We're loving your catchphrase. Can you say it down the mic for everybody?
Programs on a map.
We're here at the ploughing, folks. Ready to launch our new TPTV. You hear that, hey? That's the sound of another year at the ploughing, folks. Here we go. Do you know where we're going, Oisín?
No idea, hey?
RTE tent.
They are the tumbling houses.
Didn't mean it that way. You're all that matters. I knew all along. My whole world was shattered. I hope this love stays strong, 'cause you're all that matters. You're all that matters to me.
Let's go forward. Push the fucking out on it.
Scared for leave, Oisín. Look at coming through. Look at coming through.
Wait, hold on. We'll push it. Hey, come on. Let her ride. Let her ride. Let her ride. Hold the front way. Somebody's holding the front. Go here. Hold the man, Oisín.
I've never seen the rush.
I'm here with a shower of morons.
What's it?
How's it going, folks? It's Gareth here from the Tumbling Paddies, and we're joined by the one and only.
Trying to get a job with the band here.
Are you enjoying the ploughing, Pat?
I'm really enjoying it. Do you know what I'm looking forward to now? The bus at 12 o'clock.
The road out of it.
Get out of
What's
here.
the best thing about Tullamore?
We're not in Tullamore. Are we not?
The road out of it.
But what's the best thing about Tullamore in general?
Meeting up with G-lads.
They're steadily growing to be a fan favourite, particularly here. Listen, the crowd are here and they're ready for you guys to play live. Will you welcome, please, the Tumbling Paddies, everybody!
Sound check.
Are you happening?
Radio.
From 10th to 10th sound check.
Are you getting in? Go on, go on.
9th to 10th play. 10th to 10th play.
Oh my God.
I literally walked it all. That's Kieran's.
Oh, it's Kieran's.
No, sorry, it's yours.
Good morning, people of Ireland.
People of Ireland. How's it going, folks? We're joined here with Heather Humphreys, running for the President of Ireland. How's things, Heather?
Great, thank you. I've had a great time at the plough, and this is my third day, and it's just wonderful. And guess what? I'm in my natural environment here in rural Ireland. I love it.
Great stuff, great stuff. Well, the best of luck to you in the thing. And
Thank you. I am.
That's
I
the
am. I was reared on a farm, and I'm married to a farmer. And I'm good at growing vegetables. For the
What's your favourite vegetable?
Oh, I love the carrots. They're easiest to grow. They're easy to grow. But some of the rest of them are a bit more difficult, a bit more challenging. And the spuds. I've loads of spuds.
Oh,
No bother.
what's your favourite spud?
Well, now I had Sharps Expresses, the earlies.
Yeah.
I had them, and then the main crop. I'm not sure which one. I bought it in the local garden centre. I have a few roosters.
Lovely. Oh, jeez, love them. I love rooster potatoes.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
No,
Oh, you couldn't go wrong.
No, I've no roosters in the house for the hens.
Well, the best of luck to you, Heather, on you. Fair play to you.
Thank you.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Take it easy.
Thank you very
All right.
Where are you from? Jesus, not so bad. What's your favourite thing about the ploughing?
Plow. Yeah,
What's your favourite thing about the ploughing?
the music. I like going, seeing the Cumberland Paddy.
Hi, girls, where are you from?
Mayo.
What part of Mayo?
Ballinrobe.
And are you fans of the Cumberland Paddy's girls?
Yeah.
And that's the girls. And are you going to them in January in Castlebar?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Have you take a Scott?
Yeah.
That's the girls! How many are you a fan yourself?
I do, yeah. I'm only a small farmer. I'm only 5'4", so.
Well, hello! How are you doing? I'll have to do some of the yeah.
Right.
We're not
Go for tea again. Go for tea again. We'll be back for
temporary hurling captain, that way.
Why's your starstruck?
Right.
Hey, y'all. What is this?
Cumberland Paddy TV.
Oh, okay.
Are you a full-time cowboy?
A full-time cowboy, no. Full-time sheriff. You like them? They're
what do you
fantastic. I've had them for about 12 years now. You got to pay well to get your good cowboy boots, good sheriff boots, you know?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you pay peanuts, you get monkeys, you know what I mean?
100%.
You're right there, wait. That's what you get, but.
What type of dog is that?
It's a miniature Jack Russell.
A miniature Jack Russell. How are you, Maisie?
Rough.
Stay with her, Rashid.
I'll be taking it handy, on the bellies and brandy. I'll sip a few shandy when I'm washing down the wine, feeling frisky. On the Guinness and the whiskey, knowing you'll be with me. A few beers down the line, where you go, I'll follow you. And you know I'll always be true. And if I fall, I'll fall for you. Come close in time. Come
kilograms on a map.